Hello, students of Standard 4th. Welcome back to our online classes. How was your Diwali? I hope your Diwali was delightful, lightful, joyful, and peaceful. Dear students, once again, I hearty welcomes to you all in our online classes. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 10 of subject English Grammar. So the name of the lesson is preposition. Dear students, one question will be there in your mind that what exactly preposition is. So a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. I repeat, a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else in the sentence. Or, in another word, we would say a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show time, place, position, direction, etc. I repeat, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show time, place, position, direction. We shall study here only the preposition of time and place. You can see some examples are given of preposition of time and the prepositions of place. In the morning, in the afternoon, in summer or in the summer, in 1980, in 90s, in the 17th century, in the Easter holiday, in the next century, in the future, in the 10 years' time. Now, some examples of on Monday, on Saturday, on June 3rd, on 1st October 2013, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on Tuesday evening, on time, on a winter evening, on a warm day. Some examples of at 9 a.m., at 8 o'clock, at 6 p.m., at night, at noon or midday, at Easter, at Christmas, at dinner time, at dinner, at that moment. These are the some examples. In our textbooks, some examples are given, but that examples are very short in number. That is why I choose this photo and I am explaining for you. Dear students, next type of preposition is preposition of place. Let us begin with in. In England, in Chinatown, in a building, in a car, in a taxi, in a boat, in a helicopter, in a traffic jam, in Times Square, in the article. Now let us begin, let us start the examples of on. On a bus, on a plane, on a horse, on the phone, on the internet, on the television, on the floor, on the page, on the menu, on Oxford Street. Dear students, let us start with preposition at. At 675 State Street, at the bus stop, at the door, at the top of page, at someone's house, at the entrance, at the crossroads, at the front, at the back, at the bottom. Dear students, in textbook, some examples are given. I would like to request to you all, please open our textbook, page number 52. Some examples are given. Prepositions of time. First, in a first column, let us start with on. On Diwali, on Sunday, on 10th June, on your birthday. Let us start with examples of at night, at midday, at midnight, at 8 o'clock. Some examples of preposition in. In June, it means in the month of June. In June, in 2005, in summer, in the morning. The preposition of place are given on page number 52. I would like to read for you, dear students. On, let us start with the preposition on. On the roof, on the wall, on the floor, on the table. Examples of at work, at home, at office, at school. Some examples are given. The preposition of place in the box, in the garden, in the bathroom, in the classroom. Now under the bed, under the tree, under the table, under the bridge. Dear students, I hope you enjoy this video. I would like to request to you all, please open page number 52 of our subject English 2 or grammar and try to read it again and again. I hope you enjoy this video. Dear students, take a very good care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.